Okay guys, so today we are going to learn colors with the help of our Paw Patrol Bowling set. And today is an exciting day because this is the first time that Aiden, the star of the show, is going to be helping me. So let's get to it. So what you think, Baba? You like it? You ready to play? Say yeah! Yeah! Hey! Yeah! Yay! There you go. Yeah, you're happy. Yeah, you're happy. Okay, let's get started then. Woo! Yeah! You excited, Baba? You excited? Yeah. Okay. Let's play some bowling then, okay? Okay, guys. So the first pin we're gonna play with, or that we're gonna learn, is the color
red. The color red.
Go on, go get the red pin. Go get the red pin. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Get the red pin. Aiden, get the red pin. There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Give me the pin. Yay! Yay! Okay, and our next color is
blue. Blue.
Okay, Aiden, get the blue pin. Come on. Hey, Aiden, get the blue pin. Aiden, come on, get the blue pin. There you go. There you go. Come on. Bring it here. Come on, Baba. Hey, come on. Yay! Ah, yay! Next, we got
yellow. Yellow.
Go get the yellow pin. There you go. Woo! Get the yellow pin. There you go. Come on, you can do it. Damn it. Give it here. Come on. Hey, that works. All right. And our next color is
pink. Pink.
Hey, Baba, come on. Get the pink pin. Come on. Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, guys, and our next color is
green. Green.
Yeah, green. Okay, Aiden, come go get the green pin. Hey! 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 You want to go one more time? Okay, go ahead. Get it one more time, just to be safe. Okay. Oh, almost. There you go. Hey! Hey! Come on, get the pin. There you go. Hey! Okay, guys. Okay, Baba. We got a whole set. Hit him with your ball. Hey! Hey! Okay, Baba. Go ahead. Hit it with your ball. Oh! Oh, there you go. Stack them up. You got it. You got one more. You got the red one. There you go. Here's your ball. Yeah! Oh, that's cheating, but you got it. Woo! Now put them here on the floor. There you go. Uh-oh. There you go. You're getting it. Here, let's put these two right here. Oh. Now go ahead and give it a roll. Yay!
Yeah. How is this on it? Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.